construction site. We will walk through this small way up to plot 1. Bye. Let's go, Teddy. He knows the way where to go. ไปแล้ว Go ไปเลย This way we will go through this way and connect to plot 1 and this Teddy ทำอะไร Oh, can we still walk through that over here? Okay, plot 1 bedroom. สวัสดีค่ะเอ็ดดี้ได้กระดูกฝังไว้ซ่อนไว้ Now the workers start to do the edge of the column. This will be in the detail part. Nice. When it's rained so much, the water also here. Candy will be wet. Wow. Because of the opening there. And the worker also have to carry the sand from the top, very top one. They love him. He will be dirty. Oh my god. And here they start with the electric pipe. They cut in and then the electric pipe over there. Yeah. These are where they already done. They put the box. The box is in. Also that for the pipe. Here, the toilet. From now, you can see the swimming pool. Cantilever up. Wow, amazing. And over there on the left side, they are doing the sunken area and will be the terrace over there. Also cantilever. I think all the sunken area, they're all like 100% cantilever. Master bedroom. Also the electric done. They lever more sand now. And there is also done. And here is the toilet area. We can see the upper villa from here too. Wow, you can see Phangan so clear today. And over there, I think I see Teddy. Teddy! Hi! Hello! Teddy! There, you can see in front of the big rock, that is the sunken area, and this is our swimming pool for plot 1. To plot 1. Living area. Let's see how far are they. Now they still have like a lot of form work and also a lot of supporting seals. This is the area that the worker have to deliver the sand in the sea. เดี๋ยวเปียกนะเท็ดดี้น้ำเต็มเลยเนี่ย I have to find a way to go up. After the rain, everywhere is flooding. Ah! The brick they have to carry from all the way from the top, hand by the workers. Wow, it's a lot of work. Workers have to walk down here to deliver the sand. Wow, incredible. There, to put one all the way down. I have to climb up this stair. Let's go. I have a proper shoes. Okay, here we are. And here the women worker, they put the sand into the sack so the guy can move it down. They deliver it down to plot 1 area. It is so clear with the ocean after the rain. To go down from that and this staircase down. And here for footing that was very deep down underground. And swimming pool in plot 1. Wow. Not sure, let me see. Squeeze through this, probably. Yeah. Oh. And now, here in the back, of the sunken area. I will sneak through that. Yeah. Oh wow. Wow. You can see a lot of water on the master bedroom. See, everyone have to go up there. Oh, it's so difficult. Beam is just broken a little bit. Swimming pool. And now in plot 2, they have to do more of the retaining wall under the house, which will be like in total 6 meters. We already have like 3 meters underground, and we have to do more now after the big rain. But it's already dry for 2 days, so the worker can continue some part. Let's go to plot 3. Sorry, rock. Oh, okay. There. Before here's like few of waters, like another swimming pool. All the footing in plot 3 is all done. see here. Home cinema area. Over there. It's also flood yesterday. And now workers have to do some work. More soil in. Yeah. Flood too.ดีสนุกเลยทีนี้ไอ้อ้วนว้าวเทดดี้ลงมาแล้วdrama start now เทดดี้ไม่มีน้ำแล้วนี่ไปลงตรงไหนวะเนี่ยไอ้อ้วนSo high in plot 2. Let's go see what are they doing in plot 2 now inside. Sawadika. Oh, cooling off the water. They are checking. Oh, checking the level. It's a must. It's a must. In front of the terrace in plot 2. Yeah. And here you can see swimming pool for plot 4. Swimming pool. So long. Everything needs to be precise. In front of plot 3, they have to redo the terrace in front of the bedroom because that is there. This is the way that the excavator need to walk down over the retaining wall down to plot 4 and go out. Oh, that looks scary. Teddy is having fun with the worker, helping them dig. Whether they have to redo it. Yeah. Tama lang ito din. Home cinema. There. Oh, we go up. And then we already do the level 2 layer. So inside will be the screen. Yay! อบคุณค่ะ ไอ้อ้วน ขึ้นไม่ได้แล้วลงไม่ได้เนี่ย สภาพค่ะว้า
ไม่ได้ลงไม่ได้แล้ว
ลงมาไม่ได้ ต้องให้หาวเนี่ย
ขึ้นอย่างเดียวได้อะ
รอดเลยล่ะฉันได้รอดเลยล่ะเท็ดดี้ come on เคยเห็นหมาชนิดโซ่ไหมแหวกซะบอหมาชนิดโซ่เนี่ยเท็ดดี้ลงอีก
เอาเถอะ
Plot 4 Swimming pool is done. Some column also done. They did the floor for the swimming pool in plot 4 already. Now they're waiting to pour the concrete for the swimming pool wall over there. Oh, oh, the worker can go through here. Oh wow. Oh my god. Wow. Incredible.